We have breaking news coming in about Delhi pollution, where thick smog blankets Delhi NCR. AQI across Delhi NCR in very poor and severe category. A layer of toxic smog blankets the Dholakua area where the AQI is 269. You can see on your screens how Delhi is now engulfed in a smog where the higher AQI is in the very poor and severe category. It has crossed 269 in Dholakua regions of the Delhi. This is just the start of winters and the thick smog has blanketed Delhi NCR. The pollution just doesn't stop in the capital, where the residents have to now face a thick blanket of smog where the AQI is reaching in very poor and severe categories. In especially areas like the Dholakua area, the AQI has reached 269. From the visuals on your screen, you can see how the smog is engulfing the capital region. For more on that, we have Milan Sharma joining us live. Milan, we're seeing that the pollution just doesn't seem to stop, and Delhi is facing high AQIs, and the winter chills have, just started coming in.
Well, absolutely, Jessica, and it's not just Dholakua. We are witnessing a thick blanket of smoke, smog mixed together all across the Delhi NCR region. I am at Akshardham, where the AQI right now is showing about 446, which is in the hazardous category this morning. And ever since, the contribution to pollution of stubble burning has also increased as farm fires continue to come in from Punjab, Haryana, as well as Uttar Pradesh. So it's a collective responsibility of all state governments, not just Punjab at this matter. And even as the sun rises, throughout the day, we've been witnessing a thick blanket of smog in and around Delhi NCR region. Where you're talking about, Dholakua happens to be one of the most polluted hotspots and in the 13 polluted hotspots that have been identified by the Delhi government as well. But of course, vehicular pollution mixed with biomass burning, fossil fuel burning, as well as stubble burning. And for Delhi, at least, the temperatures that are going to drop by about 2 to 5 degrees is what has been predicted by the IMD. It's not going to be a very nice winter once again. And we are going to see a lot of people coughing and having difficulty breathing with the kind of temperatures and the deteriorating air quality that we'll be witnessing across the Delhi NCR region once again, especially in the morning times and the evening times, where the doctors have advised people not to step out without wearing masks. And at least for children and people who are exercising, morning and late evening is not a great time to step out once again. But having said that, people will be forced to be locked inside their homes, and with AQI reaching hazardous categories in many areas, the air quality monitoring index for the CPCB doesn't show that kind of data. The overall data today is 335 only within the national capital for Delhi. Meanwhile, air quality monitoring platforms are showing AQI, which is currently in the hazardous level, as just pointed out,
right,
both where I'm standing right now and as well as at Dholakua, at IGI, at Anand Vihar and other regions as well, Jessica.
Right, a polluted Delhi becomes a new normal for us, where, Delhi braces for a winter where masks will have to be worn, because as the temperatures begin to drop, the smog will only continue to rise. Thank you for joining in, Milan.